guys, March 9th, 2022. I got a call from a guy. He says he's got a leak coming from his shower and it's kind of flooding the ceiling on the first floor. So I'm gonna go by and check the shower valve first, see what's going on, see if I can see any leakage. If not, maybe we'll check the drain or before I open the ceiling up. If we can find anything that's noticeably a problem, I try to fix that before I open up the ceiling, because the ceiling could dry out, right? So, yeah, before we start ripping and tearing ceilings down, I mean, sometimes it's good to check. Not always. I have not always done that, but it's always a good policy. See if you can find out what's leaking first. Address that issue, and then sometimes the leak will go away. That's where that's plan A. We'll go by there and see what's going on. I think I've worked on this guy's AC last year. I think I added some refrigerant to one of his systems. He's got a leaker. Oh man, there's a lot of leakers out there. Not good. Anyway, now he's got a water leak. Let's go by and see what's going on with it.
Took a shower.
Yeah.
And there was nothing.
Did he take a bath or a shower?
Yeah, just a shower before school.
The kid? He didn't take a bath?
No, he's for sure. He never takes a bath.
So you took one now, it's not leaking?
Yeah, it's not leaking.
Could he got water on the floor maybe?
I don't know. You want to check?
Let's check it out.
Yeah, it was so weird.
Yeah, it was that's quite a, so it was really coming down then, huh?
I know.
Yeah.
It was so, it was so, it's right there, so.
It's possible that it's this diverter here.
That one, the
bottom,
one,
either that or...
The bottom one is loose, for sure.
Yeah.
I just checked it. That one, see?
I don't think that he was getting anything on the floor. Most likely it's this. Let's take it apart and let's look at it, okay?
All right. Yeah.
And either that or this. I mean, I don't see no water on the floor here. And you said that you took a shower and no more leak.
Yeah.
That's kind of odd, huh?
You want to just...
Let me get my tools and we'll check it.
Yeah, turn them.
Take that handle off. We'll take the plate off and we'll look in there.
Okay.
Then I'll turn it on and we'll see if it's leaking.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay. All right.
And then we can determine what's going on with it.
And before that? Okay. Yeah.
Oh, look at that, come right off.
And also, please check, because you have, two people, they will have two different cars with
Oh yeah, that's leaking out, yeah. Gotcha. I betcha. I betcha.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. After we delivered the oven and the fridge, they couldn't find the parking spot. It was a pain in the ass. Yeah.
I don't see it leaking. that might be it right there. There we go, there's our problem. Our shower head's the problem. You know, it's dripping right there. There's our problem. I found your problem. See the shower head dripping right there?
Yep.
When I tip it down, it's going right in the plate. We're gonna change the shower head, see it?
Yeah.
Because when I tip it down, that was running right down into this area and running right downstairs.
Oh.
Yep. So we're gonna have to just change the shower head. Kind of weird, huh?
It is weird.
See it?
Yep.
That's enough to ruin your day right there, guy. And this was tipped down more, so that was like running right in there. Boom. Weird.
Since you are...
Crazy shit, huh?
Yeah, I know. Since you're touching this, you know, every time, you know, you see that? The bottom part, you know, when my mom tries to, you know, wash her legs and stuff like that, it makes a lot of noise. Like, you know, it looks like, you know, the pipe and stuff like that.
What makes a lot of noise?
When you open the water over there.
Oh, you mean the drain pipe?
Yeah, the drain pipe. Yeah, it makes that noise, like, and then it'll go away after a few seconds.
This thing here makes the noise?
Yeah, like, you know, the whole house, you know, we will know that my mom is trying to wash my leg if she, you know.
On this
yeah,
here?
On that, yeah.
On this here?
Yep.
Da, 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 noise.
Yeah, it's like pipe noise, like, you know, it comes from there, like.
Unless you're shutting it off,
Well, unless you're using the shower, there's no noise at all. But if you use the, you know, the tap over there, you know, like.
I don't hear no noise.
Yeah, but yeah, go away after like, you know, 10-15 seconds.
When she first turns it on?
Yeah. It's like. Let me go check downstairs.
That's the cartridge. That's the cartridge, I think. Hear it clicking? That there, you mean? That?
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah, it's the cartridge. I gotta change the cartridge. Alright, we're gonna shut the water off to do that.
Yeah.
But let me, we're gonna shut the water off, but we're gonna change the shower head. I mean, I got regular shower heads. I don't have one like that. That fancy one like that, you know? That's what the problem is. I told you, when this was down,
Yeah.
the water was running right down onto this plate. And I mean, you can't have that because that's gonna get down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Crazy, huh? Alright, so let me get a cartridge and a shower head. You can't leave it leaking like that. Cut the water off here. Change the cartridge. I'm just gonna make sure that stops before I open it up and change the cartridge. I think it's just that spindle that's making that clicking noise. So let's change that and we'll try it. That usually takes care of the issue. Was he a plumber or was he a handyman or was he a plumber?
No, he is a plumber by trade.
He is.
Yeah, and like I said, you know, he worked for his dad who owns a commercial plumbing company.
Right.
For commercial, you know.
Oh, okay.
properties.
Yeah.
Yeah. His dad is like filthy rich.
Really?
Yeah.
Sounds like me.
I know. So, that's what it is. You know, his dad only.
Why don't you go downstairs, open up the kitchen sink, we'll dump some water down there in the kitchen sink.
Alright.
I'm gonna flush the toilet, maybe. As long as the water's coming out and it's not going in the wall. He's opening up the kitchen sink downstairs. We got the water off down cellar. Kind of weird. You got the kitchen sink open?
Yeah, it's just a small water. Yeah. It's almost the same like this one.
Sometimes it gets a little sloppy in there, making noise. I should be able to button this all back up now. Yeah, it feels like for the poor people in the war, huh? Holy shit, imagine that, getting bombed and stuff. Gotta leave your flipping house and everything. I mean, that's terrible, huh?
It is.
Think about it. I mean, we never have to deal with that shit.
Yeah.
Leaving your flipping house and everything. That's crazy, crazy. I mean, it's not something we ever dealt with. I mean, I never have you?
No. That's all.
Really?
You know, it's scary, and you know, things are just gonna get worse if that happens. We already dealt with this pandemic thing, and now
Seems like all of a sudden everybody stopped wearing the flipping masks.
exactly.
All of a sudden.
Yep.
Isn't that kind of weird?
It is super weird. Like nobody, you know.
How did
like,
it go away so quick? I mean,
Yeah.
really? It's almost like, I don't know if it was even, obviously it was true, but, I don't know.
Did you get it?
I never did.
Yeah, we did.
You?
Yep. My whole family got it in like almost like in 4 days. Everybody got it. 4 people.
Wow.
Yeah, scary.
Oh, sure, no.
Yep.
How did it affect you? Did it give you like,
No, I honestly, you know, because I had the shot, you know,
it wasn't as bad?
it wasn't as bad, but it was still bad.
Was it? Yeah?
Yeah, because, you know, I felt very weak.
Did you? Yeah?
Yeah, like it was unbelievable.
Weak.
Like very weak. Like I had the taste, I had the smell,
Yeah.
but you know, I wasn't eating. You know, I wasn't feeling like, you know, that, you know, I wasn't hungry most of the time. So.
Oh. Yeah, once you get sick,
Yep.
it kind of really can give you a screwing. I never got it, thank God.
Oh wow. It looks like you got very good
Luckily.
system.
I got the shot, didn't even affect me. I mean,
Yeah, when I got the shots, nobody like we didn't.
oh, you
get
can
sick.
shut that faucet off, both of them. Go shut the kitchen sink faucet on. Then you know how to turn the water back on?
Yep.
Yeah. Just go slow with the water, like, you know?
Right.
Open it slowly. Make sure you shut off the kitchen sink.
Alright.
I gotta change the shower head. I think that's what the problem was. Flipping shower head was dripping right down, and I think that's where his leak was coming from. I got another shower head. We'll put another head on there and see what happens. This thing's a lot open. Loose as a goose, mama. It's loose as a goose. I'm gonna put a new head on there and see. This one's got a gasket on the inside. All of a sudden, and this one here is adjustable. It's got the spray in a couple of different spots. You like that spray there? That's a nice spray. See, it's not going to be dripping on you, you know?
Yep. But why is the water over there coming?
Huh? I'm going to check it good, and I think that's going to take care of it. And it don't make that noise anymore. Hear it? It's not making that noise anymore. Listen. Remember before it'd go click? It was in a spindle. Remember?
And why is that water leaking or water just dripping from there?
Well, you can never stop that because you get a little bit there and most of it comes out the head because it's never a permanent. It's never a. It's a diverter. It's not a shut off. See, we're getting a good flow there. See it?
Yeah.
You can get a nice shower there with that. All right.
Okay. And is that loose over there? Because when I touch that one.
Well, no, that's fine. That ain't where your problem was. Your problem was it was dripping here and going in all in here like this, you know?
Oh, okay.
It ain't gonna leak now. You're standing back. I mean, the thing was like running right on there. You want to put that to tub. That's it. That should dry up now downstairs. Don't start ripping the ceiling apart. Let it dry out, and keep an eye on it. If it don't leak anymore in a week or so, then you can patch it.
All right, yeah. That's
you want to leave it open and let it dry out because it's wet in there.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't get no black mold.
All right.
And give it a couple of weeks, and if it don't leak anymore, we're good.
All right. Yeah.
I mean,
makes sense.
most likely that's the problem.